The one thing y'all know about me, I don't play, so just
Shout
be
to
fair.
Absolute.
You catch me up in VIP,
Addicted for life.
up in the club, that's my atmosphere.
Yes, the green
I
thing.
got money to spend, I keep getting it in from the hood, so I don't play fair. And I'ma
What's
keep
up?
living it up,
What's up?
getting it up,
What's up?
throwing it up.
Yeah.
Until it all
Break the
goes
peas down to onions, money in abundance. I'm in the lower millions, I'm trying to get in the hundreds.
Yeah.
Niggas pants too tight to fight, so they don't want it. Pay for somebody to protect you, so where you gun at? Been there, done that. Seen the coke come back. Seen niggas come home from jail, then run back. Singing the same sad song, my nigga won that. Negative energy, stick to him like a thumbtack. Real hustler, probably sold 1 million in 1 packs. Niggas think they smart and nice, but they dumb whack. It's only till you crack they skull, give them a mum rap. When it's cold, I reside wherever the sun's at. Sun's
One
back.
thing y'all
What?
know about me, I don't play, so just be fair.
What's up?
You catch me up in VIP, up in the club, that's my atmosphere. Cause I
What's
got
up?
money to spend, I keep
See the
getting it
face.
in from the hood, so I don't play fair.
News,
What's up?
Cuzzo.
Living it up, getting it up,
Money
throwing
green.
it up.
Stand
until
side.
it all
Top
goes
of the
down.
league, 3-piece suit or fatigues. All I gotta do is look a certain way and you'll bleed. 4 words describe me, niggas can't fuck around. Fish scale verses, prices go up and down. Put it out there, see if it tastes right. Young Jewish bulldog, keeping the case right. Apartment on the 4th floor, keeping the bass right. Jacksons and